Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel and this is your friend Ankita. Today's video is reviewing and talking about these lip and cheek tints by Iba Halal. So let's get started with the video now. Okay, now before I tell you about how these lip and cheek tints are, I'll firstly very briefly tell you about the brand Iba Halal. It's a made in India, an Indian brand. It offers skincare and makeup products both, and you can easily get your products from their main website, or you can get it from Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart as well. And I'm sure there are other websites, maybe Myntra, I'm not really sure of that, but you can easily get their products online. I'm not really sure about offline stores as of now. And this is a halal brand, which means it does not use any pig fat or any other animal fat in any of their products. It is cruelty free, it is vegan, which is amazing. Now before trying these lip and cheek tints, I have tried their face wash, only 2 face washes, and both of them were absolutely nice, and that is why I fell in love with Iba Cosmetics. Now coming back to these lip and cheek tints, this is how the outer packaging looks like. They retail for 499 rupees, but often you also get discounts on them, and the weight of this product is 8 grams. Now these are very cute shaped bottles, containers here, and they resemble lip balm containers actually. Please ignore all the noises, there's a lot of noise around my house right now. So there are total 5 shades in this lip and cheek tint range, and I have all these 5 shades. This is a sheer peach, then there is hint of red, then there is timeless mocha, and then there is forever nude, and finally we have all time pink. I will swatch all these shades on my hands and you can see how they look. I think I'll do the swatching right now first. So this is sheer peach. This is how the shade looks like in the container, and this is how it looks on my hand. It's a nice peach color, just blended it a bit. This is how it looks on my hand. The second shade I have with me is timeless mocha, also my favorite shade. So this here is timeless mocha with me. The third shade I have with me is forever nude. This is how it looks inside its container, and swatch on my hand the third one, forever nude. The next shade, second last, is all time pink, and this is how it looks inside the container, and this is the pink shade. Now final shade is hint of red. I have already used my 4 fingers, so I'm going to use my thumb for it. This is how it looks, and here is the red shade, which is actually it's more like brick red, not a perfect red. It's looking more orangey in camera, but it's actually not that orangey. Now all these tints contain rosehip oil, apricot kernel oil, non-toxic mineral colors, and vitamin E, which is great for your lips, for your skin, and of course the fact that it's a vegan brand, it's a great choice to go for. Now these are very handy bottles, handy containers. You can easily carry it in your pockets, in your bag, anywhere. It's just too cute, small, and really nice. I guess price wise also it's fine, because I was going through Nykaa app, and it's the cheapest lip and cheek tint you can find online store, and most of these tints start at 500. Right now you're also getting deals on it, so I think they're retailing for 399 on Nykaa app, so great for that. The another thing is that it is just supremely pigmented, so a little product will go for ages, I guess. It is just too pigmented and it's almost like a lipstick, so you really need a very little quantity to apply on your cheeks and on your lips as a tint. Now, one con that I can think of with this product is, I think it's because maybe winters or maybe because of the packaging, you know, you really expect it to be balmy in texture. When you see a container like this, especially, I mean, I expected it to be balmy, but it is not balmy. It is quite matte, which is great for summers, great for me for summers, but in winters, it's not that great. But whatever tints I've used till date are not at all oily, they're not balmy, and they are just very matte formula, and same is the case with these tints. So that is one con I could think of while using these lip and cheek tint. But I think it's a great choice if you wanna go for something that is vegan, that is made in India, it is cruelty free, and it has all the goodness for your skin and your lips. I think it's a great product to go for. These Eba tints are easily, you know, available everywhere. You can just I think you can trust this product, and personally I've used all the cosmetics, so I do really like it. I mean, I've used the skincare before, so I do really like it. And yeah, so that's about it today, guys, for this video. I hope you liked this review and all the talking about Eba lip and cheek tints. And see you again with a new video. Let me know in case if you use it in the comment section below, like how you find it and all. So I'll see you again very soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.